What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your car started if your smart key remote dies. Whether that be the battery or some other issue with it, I'm going to show you how you can still get your car started. So I've taken the battery out of this remote to demonstrate. As you can see, if I press the buttons, nothing's working. If I try to go ahead and start the vehicle, I'm going to get a message here saying no remote key was detected, place key in transmitter pocket. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And the transmitter pocket is located in the center console. Open that and then take a look in here. It's gonna be this pocket right here. So we will go ahead and put our key in like that. Once it's in there, come over here and it should start. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.